Hi there, guys. Guys, tell me, would like to earn more money? Would you guys would like the opportunity to have more money? Would you guys would like to enjoy expansion and avoid recession? Yes. Now, if you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about how to save money. Guys, first of all, I would like to say thank you to all of you guys that are watching this video. It just tells me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And you guys really want to improve the quality of your life, which is totally fantastic. Now, okay, saving money, is a very important and very awesome thing. You know why? Because if you are in the habit of saving money, your wife will be 100% happy with you, because she will trust your financial guts. Not only that, you're going to have the opportunity to help her and her family without jeopardizing your financial situation. Awesome. If you have a business, you're going to be able to avoid bankruptcy just because you are in this habit of saving money. You know, in difficult times, you're going to be ready to face difficult times because you're going to be, your financial bank account is going to have money in order to take you out of any trouble that show up. Awesome. Now, for you guys that don't know me, my name is Sebastian, but you guys can call me Sebastian. And I am here, and I am a personal development and financial independence student. And I am here to help you achieve your goals by sharing with you my ideas on the subject of personal development and financial independence. Okay? Now, pay attention. Saving money. How do you do that in a very effective way? You do that by saving first and spending later. Okay? Save first and spend later. Rich people, they save first and they spend later. Poor people spend first and save later. You know? Rich people, they save first. That's why they always have money. That's why they always have money which they use always when opportunities show up, or which they use in order to protect themselves in winter times. That's why. And one more thing, when you save money, you want to save always 10%, not less, 10% or more, you know, because by doing that, you gain the opportunity to learn to live below your means, you know. You learn the opportunity to spend less than you earn, you know. There is even a saying, this says like this: if your outgo exceed your income, your upkeep will be your downfall, which can be very, very dangerous. So pay good attention. Yes, another point is that saving money, it will teach you financial discipline, which is very important, very, very important thing. You know, even that financial discipline is important because it will teach you to spend money on important things and leave the things that are not important for later. You know, listen, there is even stories about people who have earned the lottery. Yeah, many people have learned who have earned they won the lottery. And then after some couple of years or something like this, they went broke. Why? Because they didn't have financial discipline. And that's the problem. Savings alone will not get you rich. But saving is important. Because if you want to get rich, you're going to need to invest money in order to make more money. But in order to have money to invest, your savings bank account gotta have some cash, and you know that very good, So if you keep saving right now, then you're gonna have enough fuel so that you can use when opportunity shows up, so that you can make more money. This is a very cool thing. Think about it, you know. Now, for you guys that want to learn more about how to make money online, then check the link below. It's gonna lead you guys to this course that's gonna teach you how to make money effectively online. Okay? And then by checking the link below, you're gonna have also the opportunity to receive a free ebook, which is gonna help you, how can I say, to have the right mindset to deal with the problems of life and business. But we're gonna definitely speak more about this subject of how to make more money and the best way to become rich, on the future videos. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.